Hello, my name is Hayden Sweet and welcome to the application I created, Property Runner. Before going through a coding bootcamp at Dev Mountain, I was working at a property management company which inspired this project. Property Runner is an app I created that I would have used every day working back in property management. It's used by employees to organize vacant units, assign tasks, photos, runners, and keep better tabs on vacancies. The tech I used is Python, Flask, Jinja 2, SQL Alchemy, some JavaScript, and a Google Maps API. First, a manager will need to create an account and add some info about their company. Adding the company's address is important because I programmed the Google API to sort units by distance based on that location. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with a flash message displaying your name and a dashboard displaying the name of your company. Right now, all our to-dos are empty because we have no properties yet. Before we create some, let's create some accounts for our employees. When I create these accounts, they'll be tied to the company I'm currently logged in with. Now that we've added some employees, let's add some units. We need to add the full address, the date the unit vacated, and the cover image. After that, we can assign a runner ourselves, or set it to auto-assign. Auto-assign automatically finds what runner is assigned to the least amount of properties and gives it to them. Now that we've added a unit, we can see on the dashboard that jobs have been added here, and in vacant units, the property will show below. If we expand the view, we can see some more information about it, like the distance. This is from the Google API. This will calculate the distance from the office that we set initially, which is 9.4 miles. Now the manager can only see these two things right here, assign it move-in and reassign the runner. But we can fill in these new tasks and they'll show up below. Going back into the unit, we can see that everything's been updated, the additional tasks, leasing pictures taken, and the picture we uploaded is here below. If a manager marks the unit as move-in complete, it'll show off the vacant unit list, and it will be stored in the past units list here. Now that I've added a ton more units, we can actually use the sort function. We can sort by runner, address, days vacant, zip code, or distance. Sorting by distance will utilize the Google API to sort them by closest to the office location we set at the beginning of the video. Now on the home page, you can see the list of jobs that we need to complete. Tasks and leasing pictures, once marked complete, will be permanent, but unit checks, since they need to be done weekly, will refresh every single week. If we log in as one of the runners we created, we can see we don't have access to create unit or create employee. On the dashboard, we can see a list of properties specifically tied to that runner. We can quickly access those properties by clicking on the links here. Now if we go back to that unit, we can see everything's been filled out and the picture is here. Notice we don't have access to those admin options. My favorite feature and also the most challenging part of this project was using the Google Maps API. I thought being able to enter the address and sort them by distance right here on this web page was pretty cool. It was also super straining trying to research and figure out on my own how to use this feature, but I stuck with it all the way and I think it turned out great. Thank you all for watching.